Hello, this is Peter Rivera-Concannon submission for BrowserHistory2. So far I've already copied the index over, and currently I'm going to make the style.css file. I'm creating it right now. Okay, now with that created, next thing to do is to link the two documents or files together. This will be done inside the index.html file because it is the main source file, and you'll be using the a link or a tag, which or the link tag, sorry, and that one has the relative and also the href properties. So you can search for a certain style. So you can set it to be a style sheet, and then you can also look up the style sheet you want to reference to with that that tag, the linked tag. And then next thing I did was linked a file that I found online for Oswald, similar to the one that was in the video. After my second attempt, I watched the video and I found that. I was like, okay, I should have put that in there. So I found one relative to the same one, but I tried to do the same one as in the video and it didn't. It said not found. So this is me typing in this one. Okay, and then the next thing, in the style.css file, I created the h1 and h2 selector tags, so I can change the font family properties of those headers to Oswald instead of the default units, quote unquote, as it would be called in the form. So once again, just setting the font family for the headers to Oswald with that tag, that selector property. And then for the body, we have to change multiple things. So I created the body selector tag to define the many properties. For example, there's the font family, have to change it to Open Sans, the color of the text to dark blue, the margins at the top and the bottom to 10 pixels, and on the left and the right to 50 pixels, and then also the text width in total to 950 pixels, and overall the background color of the page is now ivory. So right now I am doing that, just entering each property change or property tag and entering the new so-called units for each property for each selector. And now last thing finally is I use the IMG selector tag and the float property to make the images stay on the left side of their respective texts, on the left side of the screen. It's almost like a text align, but for images inside the CSS files, the float command. And then after this, of course, I ran the server, made sure it all worked, as you see right here. And yeah, that let's make the server up. Yep, but so I looked it up, went to the browser, and it was all there working. My total time, I'll say, was 6 minutes 8 seconds to complete this. Thank you very much.